How are you all doing? I am still in Botswana, yeah, and trust me, this is gonna be my last video from Botswana. I'm leaving the country this week. By the way, this is quite interesting, knowing that this is a country that right after independence they never had even a single university in the country, and guess what? The people came together to build the country's first ever university. And you know how they did it? Can you come closer? You know how they did it? Each family member brought one
beast. One person, one beast.
What do you mean a beast?
A beast is a cow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
one man, one cow. So each family brought a cow, and then that money was raised to build a university. That is one of the best practices of fundraising in the African continent. In fact, in the whole world, where the entire country came together, donated a cow. This cow was sold as meat to the European Union, and the money raised to build a university. And it's out of this university since 1976 to 1978 that education in Botswana has been free.
So in Botswana, you get paid to go to school, just like that.
In Botswana, you get paid to go to university.
Oh, okay.
In Botswana, you get paid even to plow. In Botswana, is also free health.
Free health?
Yeah.
So everything is free.
This just shows you the kind of governance that you have in this country. You cannot find it anywhere on the planet.
Listen, I don't believe I need to find a student to talk to. Hi. Excuse me.
Hello, mommy.
Can I speak to you for 1 minute? Are you a student of this university? Is your tuition free? I'm sorry. No, is your tuition? Can I just one?
Don't worry.
Second. Is your tuition free? Oh. Your tuition is free. Sponsored by the government. I'm sorry. I just can't believe it. That's what I'm asking. I know you don't want to be on camera, but it's okay. But you mean you go to school for free? Do you get a like monthly stipends or something? Did you? When are you receiving the first one? This month. This month you got it already? You finished it?
This month's allowance is coming
on Friday. This week Friday. So maybe we can be friends and you give me half of your money.
How much you guys get paid?
How much did they pay you every month?
1.5 because I'm on campus. I'm an on-campus student.
Your voice, I can't hear you. Why are you so shy? Like you're on campus, so you get how much?
1.5.
1.5. And if you're off campus, you have to get more of that?
You get 1.9.
That's a lot of money.
What do you mean? Like even if you live off campus, you have to get more money?
Yeah.
By the government?
Yeah. And they're talking about more than 16,000 students. And these are like A-class students. They passed from high school.
What?
Yeah.
Nah, this is a good country to stay in, man. Like, so which means you are being paid to go to school.
Basically.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Basically, no money comes from your parent. So you just... Does it mean that from primary to school was free for you?
Yes.
What's the educational system here?
It's primary, secondary, and university.
Wow.
Where did you do your primary?
I went to a private school. So
Which one?
So she went to a private school.
Lapotse.
In Lapos West. East where?
Mau.
In Mau. It's one of the best schools in Mau.
Oh, wow.
Where you were in the Delta.
Oh, when I was in the Delta.
Yeah.
She's a rich kid then. She's a rich kid. No, really nice to meet you. And it's good to know that you go to school for free. Thank you.
Yeah, what are you studying?
Bachelor of Sciences and Mathematics.
Wow.
Oh,
Interesting.
she's a smart lady too.
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So this is a monument that is dedicated to the families that actually contributed a cow in order for them to build this university. So I don't know if you can see if your family member's name is in here. Let us know in the comment section. But much respect to all these people that sacrifice their cows in order for you and I to be educated freely in this university. Wow, so many people. It's like the entire country then. Look at that. Like the entire country donated. This is beautiful, man. I've never seen any story like this before. This is definitely my first time seeing something like this. So let me pick up one name and pronounce it. So JF Ramsden and family. Mr. and Mrs. G. Skeletu Yeah, so that is a beautiful African story. Shows how if we come together, even $1, we can actually build something. You know, this should be a lesson to Africans that you can't do things all by yourself. You know, Africans are communal. Let me show you one thing that you all don't know. We are the only race on planet Earth that our hair does not grow single. Like our hair always grow together. It means that we always have to, you know, learn to work together. We are the only race. There's no race on Earth. Do your research and find out. And even our hair is stronger. So when we come together, we are mighty. This is an incredible story, and I hope you all learn from it. Thank you.